In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's check out the dry run of the code that we have created. So here we have an string, we have an n. So let me quickly write that we have this as a string and we have an a. So we will declare L pointer that is at 0. So left pointer I am just denoting with my L. Okay. And R pointer with n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. So while left is less than R, so while L is less than R, I will simply move if my characters, both characters are not equal. No, it is equal. So I will simply move my left pointer and I will move my right pointer. Okay, L plus plus R minus minus. So again here, what we will do, we will again check both the characters are same. Yes, again both the characters are same. They are not like there is no condition of not equal. So again we will do L plus plus and we will do R minus. Right, again both the characters are same here. So what we will do, we will again simply move here and we will move here. Now since here you can see both the characters are not same. Okay, here we are omitting this condition. So what we will do, we will call this last check function. Basically what is this last check function? So suppose I am calling this left plus 1, right, this function. So here again what will be my L pointer? That will be left plus 1. So L pointer is at 3, so it will be 4. R will be the same one, so R will be at 4. And we will check after, we will check with this last function. So is L is less than R? No, it is not less. So here it won't come under this condition, it will directly return the true. Okay, so it will return true, and then I will check this condition. Okay, keeping the left same. So if left is same, that is at 3, and right will be right minus 1. So if right minus 1, 4 minus 1, it will also become 3. So here also we are getting that both the pointers are at the same point. So again, while L is less than R, this condition won't meant and it will return true. Okay, so here in both the cases we got the true, and since both are true, okay, so the OR will also return true. So the final outcome, I will say this will be true. Okay, now let's check out one is like different case here. So instead of character from here, what I will do, I will simply check, suppose here it's B and then we have C here. Okay, now let's quickly check again. L pointer, R pointer, both characters I will start from 0, R will be n minus 1. Okay, no condition of not equal, again I will move my L pointer left plus plus, R minus minus. Again we have both the characters pointing to the same element. Okay, same character. So again I will move L pointer, again I will move R pointer. Now here I am coming to this condition where L is pointing to C and R is pointing to B. This condition is true. So I will call this function last check with left plus 1. So left is pointing to 2. Okay, so what will be my L pointer? 2 plus 1, that is 3. R pointer will be same as 5. Okay, and I will come under this condition while L is less than R. Yes, L is less than R. Okay, and suppose I am just creating the same thing, that this will be R A C E C B A R and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and my L pointer is at 3 and R pointer is at 5. Okay, so I will check is both the characters are not same. So yes, L is pointing to E and R is pointing to B, so it will return false. Okay, the first function. Okay, now let's check out the second function. Okay, what we will get in the second function. So our L and R pointer were here. Okay, let me quickly create this one. 0 1 3 4 5 6 7. Our L pointer were here 2, R pointer at 5. L will be at 2, so here my L will be at 2, R will be at R minus 1, so it will be at 4. Again, is L is less than R? Yes, L is less than R. Okay, is both the characters are not same. So L is at 2 and R is at 4. Both the characters are not same. No, they are same. So I won't come under here return false. Okay, because here both the characters are same. I will do L plus plus and R minus minus. So L will be now 3 and R will be also 3. So L moving forward, R moving forward. Both are pointing to the same. Okay, so this is the end of my loop. I will return true here. Okay, so from first condition I am getting a false. From second condition I am getting a true. So there is a yes, that is also true, that if you delete B character, the string will going to be a palindrome. Okay, so that's true. So if here I am getting true, here I am getting false, I have a or condition, so it will basically return true. So the correct answer of this solution will become true. Okay, suppose instead of B there is one more character. Now then this if condition will met, and if this condition is meeting, okay, what I will do, I will simply return false. Then both of the output will false and the total outcome will be false. But that is not the case here. So always remember that here you are allowed to delete only one character. That's why you are calling one function again. Okay, and this is how you can simply solve this question. And now let's quickly comment on the time complexity of this code. So I will just simply erase all these things. So here I am basically running my left and right pointer. Okay, so this loop, like this first program, will take how much time? Okay, basically L pointer will move from 0 and R pointer will move from n minus 1. Okay, and they will end once this condition is left is less than R. So eventually it will run for n times. And suppose if I am falling to this case, okay, the combination of these two will also run for n times. Okay, so basically the total program will run for only n times. So the time complexity of the complete code will be big O of n only. Okay, because suppose if the characters are not matching, you will fall under this condition. Again, you need to start from the same L pointer. You are not starting from the 0. You are starting from the same L. You are starting from the same R. Just plus minus 1 difference. Okay, so again, this the time complexity will always depends on the length of the string. So it will be big O of n, and we are not taking any extra space. We are not using any array here or any resultant output as well. So the space complexity will be constant. So the time will be big O of n and space complexity will be big O of 1. So yeah, that's all for this complete problem. Okay, we have checked out a complete solution of it. And if you want to practice, you can practice this problem directly in Leetcode. Is this valid palindrome second is available in Leetcode. And if you want, you can also check out these similar level of problems like valid palindrome third. Okay, yeah. So that's all for today's session. Okay, let's connect on the next problem solving class.